guys, and welcome to the Modern Thrifty Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make pen holders for your desk or craft area using metal cans and scrapbook paper. You can also use them as vases for flowers, or you can store your makeup brushes in them in the bathroom. There are a lot of different uses for these cans. Here are some designs that I made using different kinds of paper. Get inspired and make something that'll fit into your home. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to remove the label from the can. It comes off pretty easily. It's just held on with a little bit of glue. So now I'm going to paint the can. I'm using gold paint to paint the top and the bottom. Choose a color of paint that coordinates with your paper. It just gives a nice finishing touch. I chose 3 coordinating scrapbook papers because I'm making 3 cans. This one's a really neat gold textured paper. This one is a shiny gold pattern, and then the last one is a gold dot pattern. So now I'll measure the paper so I know how to cut it to fit onto the can. I just use a ruler to measure the area between the top and the bottom, and then I make marks on the paper so I know where to cut. So then you fit the paper around the can. If you have excess, you can just make marks so you know where to trim it. The last step is to glue the paper onto the can. I'm using hot glue, but you can use just about any kind of glue. This project is really inexpensive. You can make all 3 cans for just a couple of dollars, or really practically for free if you already have paper on hand. And that's it, you're done. You use the same technique no matter what kind of paper you're using. Here's the finished set in gold. I'm using it in the bathroom to store my makeup brushes. I used pretty scrapbook paper for this set, and I'm using it to hold some flowers. And the last set, I used more fun patterns, and I'm holding my supplies in them. So I hope you're inspired to give it a try and create your own pen holder. If you enjoyed this video, hit like. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!